Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5 camera tips and tricks for your Tecno Spark 10. First, I'm talking about the camera tricks. So first of all, let's start from the hidden features. We can find the volume buttons on the right side and take a look. You can just click on the volume up or volume down and you can smoothly zoom in when you hold one of these buttons or zoom out. When you click and hold one of this button, you can just zoom in and zoom out like that. And when you click and hold your shutter, as you can see, you can take the series of the photos and you can take 20 photos in each series. Next, you can also adjust the brightness level of your screen. So we can just click on the screen, wait on this sun icon, it appears right here, and then move it up and down to decrease or increase brightness level of your photo preview. Next, when you open the settings, we can find other useful options. For example, we can use fingerprint as shutter. So we can turn it on, and right now you can find the fingerprint right here on the right side, and when you touch it, the photo will be taken. You don't have to press on it, just simply touch. Touch and hold your finger for a few seconds. When you want to change color and the temperature on your photos, you can just click on this icon on the right bottom in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we can find some filters. They change some color and the temperature, or we can also get the monochromatic mode. And the last option, if you want to get more modes, just swipe up like that, and for example you can take the AR shots, you can scan some documents, and there's also of course the Pro mode, and in the Pro mode you can control every parameter like exposure compensation, shutter speed, ISO level, white balance. You can also manually set the focus range, and also we can pick the matrix metering method. And yeah, that's all tips and tricks for the camera on the Tecno Spark 10. Hope you like it.